Buckle up, because what you're about to see isn't just another RV, or even another luxury motorhome. This is a machine so outrageous, so colossal, that calling it an RV feels like an insult. Forget motorhome. This is a rolling skyscraper, a palace on 6 wheels. And it's called the 2026 GMC double-decker motorhome. And yes, it's not just bigger than my house. It might just replace the idea of a house altogether. We're not exaggerating. This is a full-scale reinvention of the GMC motorhome legacy. Once a classic name in the RV world, now reimagined as a 2-level futuristic estate on wheels. A vehicle that doesn't just travel the road, it dominates it. At nearly 80 feet long and over 20 feet tall, the 2026 GMC motorhome announces its presence before you even see it. Wrapped in a shimmering pearl white and metallic graphite finish, its bodywork is accented with flowing LED light strips that trace its futuristic curves like jewelry. The massive panoramic windows stretch across both levels, giving it the profile of a spaceship rather than a road vehicle. Hydraulic slide-outs expand the sides at the push of a button, transforming this beast into something closer to a mansion than an RV. And then you notice the double-decker glass rooftop lounge, a sky-level observation deck with a 360 degrees retractable roof. Park this by the ocean, the desert, or the mountains, and suddenly you've got a private penthouse with a view money literally can't buy anywhere else. The moment you enter, the floor beneath your feet glows. Italian marble, polished to perfection. Walls lined with rich walnut wood and brushed steel. Ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling, adjustable by voice command. Every surface feels custom, futuristic, and intentional. The living room? Forget the word living room. This is a lounge pulled straight out of a billionaire's penthouse. 2 Italian leather recliners, an L-shaped sofa, and a retractable 85-inch 8K OLED screen that rises seamlessly out of the floor. Surround sound tuned for cinema-grade audio. Tap a button, and you're watching movies as if you're in a private IMAX theater. The kitchen redefines the phrase home cooking. Imported German appliances, twin induction ranges, a convection oven, a transparent touchscreen refrigerator, dual wine coolers, and even a robotic dishwasher that loads, cleans, and unloads your dishes automatically. The countertops, black granite infused with smart sensors. You can literally place a pot anywhere, and it'll detect heat and adjust temperature precisely. The master suite rivals a 5-star resort. A king-size smart bed with climate control, posture adjustment, and massage functions. Remote-controlled blackout shades cover the 360 degrees panoramic windows. And when you look up, the ceiling transforms into a starlight simulation system, showing constellations in real time or any night sky in the world. The ensuite bathroom is pure indulgence, a rainfall shower, heated stone floors, gold-accented fixtures, a smart toilet with full health monitoring, and backlit mirrors with built-in touch displays. And yes, there's a full walk-in closet. Because why wouldn't there be? Guests aren't forgotten either. A second suite with a Murphy bed, hidden bunks for staff or kids, and a fully private guest bathroom ensures everyone lives in comfort. In the rear bay, a hydraulic-powered garage big enough for a compact car, golf cart, or 2 jet skis. At the touch of a button, the bay extends out and lowers the vehicle to the ground. Alongside it, a tucked-away washer-dryer combo ensures you can live full-time, anywhere, without compromise. And make no mistake, this isn't just luxury on wheels, it's power. Underneath the sculpted body lies a custom 16-liter turbocharged diesel-electric hybrid, delivering over 750 horsepower. Active suspension adapts to terrain in real time. Parking sensors, lane assist, and autonomous parking mean driving this monster feels smoother than piloting a city SUV. Off-grid? No problem. The GMC is fitted with an array of solar panels, lithium battery banks, and twin generators, capable of powering the entire motorhome for weeks without ever plugging in. And now, the question you're dying to ask. What's the price tag? Over $3 million. This isn't an RV, it's a statement of dominance. A rolling fortress for billionaires, celebrities, or families who want to take the hotel with them instead of checking into one. Who would buy something like this? The entrepreneur who wants to run their empire while watching sunsets from anywhere in the world. The celebrity who refuses to be tied down to a single address. Or the family that says, "Why book a resort when the resort can move with us?" This isn't just a vehicle. It's freedom, luxury, and power fused into one unstoppable force. So yes, the 2026 GMC double-decker motorhome is bigger than my house. And it moves. Not just moves, but moves with the confidence, grace, and futuristic brilliance of a palace built for the road. If you enjoyed this look at one of the most insane motorhomes ever built, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you live full-time in a $3 million mansion on wheels?